Installing the upgrade kit on your Nitro Infuser is very easy. Begin by removing any of the hoses that are connected to the air distributor, and unscrew the two screws holding the air distributor to the Nitro Infuser. Replace with the new Nitro Infuser upgrade kit and use the two screws to secure. Use the shorter piece of provided gas hose and secure to the gas end barb with a warm clamp. Then attach the other end of the hose to the plastic barb and secure with a warm clamp. The bottom gray dial will adjust the infusion level. Once your infusion level is set correctly, use the upper lock nut to secure in place. This will help prevent any accidental adjustments.